Is your computer running slowly? Lorien Cleaner provides you with the most powerful junk cleaning and privacy protection. As it gets older, your computer collects unused files that take up hard drive space, making it slower. Lorien Cleaner cleans up these files and makes your PC instantly faster. Lorien Cleaner helps you work or play faster by shutting off unnecessary programs. Lorien Cleaner smartly scans every inch of your PC and then removes all the junk it finds. It also selects such files that are 100% safe to delete, so you never have to worry about removing the wrong ones. Lorien Cleaner is a solution for users who want to tweak the PC system to the optimal performance, clean up drive space, optimize the system, and utilize many other advanced toolkits within the built-in powerful components to allow the repair of problems. Make your PC as good as new.